COVID-19, or better known as novel coronavirus around the world, has been declared a pandemic by World Health Organization (WHO). As the virus races around the world, tanking markets, cutting off global travel, and suspending school for hundreds of millions of children around the world, government is desperate to contain it. There are so many suggestions floating around the internet and suggestions that say how to contain this virus, ranging from drinking warm water to taking warm baths to eating plenty of garlic. Abundance use of hand sanitizer and wearing masks can prevent corona. Should I do this or not? There is so much confusion. After going through reliable websites like WHO and UNICEF, I have come to these conclusions that can help us prevent the spread of this virus. Welcome back to Super Cool Mom channel again, and let's go through some of the things that can help prevent spread of this deadly virus. Let's face it, if washing hands with soap and water and use of hand sanitizer plus wearing mask would have stopped the spread of this virus, then we would not be under state emergencies or lockdowns. This would have stopped well before that. That is not to say that you don't have to wash your hands with soap and water. Please continue to do so. Wash your hands with soap and water, warm water that is, for at least 20 seconds. This will definitely help you control the spread of germs. But what really works and what I would suggest that you all do is social distancing, is to become unsocializing. That will help the control and spread of these deadly virus. That is what happened in China. China went unsocial. That included lockdown of nearly 60 million people who were put under strict quarantine and also under travel restrictions. So, unsocializing is what we all need to practice in order to help prevent spreading of this deadly virus. How do we do that? Let's go step by step. If you have the facility to turn one of the rooms in your home into a work office, please do so. Now is the time to take that step. Work from home. Lots of workplaces are doing it. They are encouraging employees to work from home in order to maintain that social distance. So if you can, please work from home to avoid spreading this disease further. I know and I totally understand that humans are party animals, that we love socializing, but please avoid parties, salons, malls, shopping, public transports, or any other places that have a lot of people. So stay at home and be safe. Nobody can predict the future. I am not saying things will get worse than what they are now, but just in case, please stock up on some basic food items at home. Something non-perishable like pasta, pasta sauce, dried beans, beans in a can, and some flours and stuff that will last longer. Also some frozen food items that have a longer expiry date for just in case scenario. However, it is my humble request, please don't panic buy. Don't do this. Look at the shelves. This is not the time to be selfish. Think about this. How would you feel if you come out to buy necessary stuff for your family and come across these empty shelves? Think of that feeling and then act accordingly. Keep that feeling in mind while you are shopping. Up till now, most corona cases have been reported in elderly and kids. So, isolate them as much as possible. I know this will not be easy, but it is safer. Which means no school and no extracurricular activities if they can be avoided. There are so many websites that you can go that will help with the kids' homework and that will help them learn more. Besides, there are so many things that you can teach at home. It just doesn't have to be academic. So, go on the websites, find activities to do at home. Even with the elderly, keep them busy at home. But if you can, avoid schools and extracurricular activities for now. And the most important tip, Please don't take this virus casually. I know especially people would say, nothing's gonna happen to me. I am healthy as a horse. Please don't do that. Even if you have very mild symptoms of cold, cough, and fever, get yourself checked. Lots of countries have helpline, healthline, and other means that you can do to self-check without you having to leave your home. Do that first, and if the self-assessment comes out a little bit positive, please go get yourself checked. It is always better to take the precautions and always better to be safe than sorry. Why unsocialize? Why take such severe precautions? For a handful of deaths only? Because prevention is better than cure. We have example of lots of other countries where the cases went up to more than double in number in only a matter of days. So let's not wait for something worse to happen. You have to know time cannot be reversed. But you also have to understand this. There's a fine line. Panicking is not going to help anyone. Stressing out is not going to help anyone. We have to be united. We have to be unselfish, stand together, and help each other. Let's all do our part to beat this virus. That's it for today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for updates on coronavirus and other contents. Take care and most importantly, be kind and be safe. Bye.